If you buy a brand new RV today, you're stepping into a massive financial trap, and the dealer that's taking your check won't even warn you.
Today, we're settling the new versus used RV debate once and for all. No opinions, just raw data on depreciation curves, federal safety recalls, and structural failure rates.
And by the end of this video, you'll know the exact age of an RV that gives you the lowest financial risk and the 30-second inspection you have to do before you buy. So let's get into it. Right out of the gate, here's what you need to know. New RVs drop by 20% in value the moment they hit the road, while used rigs can hide lethal water rot and open recalls without you even knowing it.
Welcome back to the RV Watchdog. I'm Rhonda.
And I am John, and we're breaking this into 4 forensic sections to help you understand. Let's start with section 1. The reality of purchasing a new RV. RVs aren't manufactured like cars. Based on our tracking and our warranty complaints and industry repair data, the first year of a new RV is a shakedown cruise for any owner. And if you don't know RVs are built rapidly by hand, owners constantly report finding loose screws, pinch wires, and plumbing leaks in the first 12 months of their ownership. When you buy new, you act as the final quality control inspector, and sadly enough, so does the RV dealership.
That brings us to section 2, the safety audit and the brutal math of depreciation. Let's look at the J.D. Power valuation guides. A new RV loses about 20% of its value the second you drive it off the lot. By year 5, you're looking at a 30 to 45% loss based on the type of RV you're looking to purchase.
So you buy used to dodge that 30% hit, and that's really smart. But you trade factory defects for a silent killer. Deferred maintenance, specifically water rot. Roof seals degrades fast. If the previous owner ignored the exterior caulking, water gets in and destroys the wood framing. It's the number one reason I tell buyers to walk away from a used rig, which is poor maintenance.
Section 3, manufacturer response to recalls. Buy used, and you might be inheriting the previous owner's ignored safety recall letters. You need to understand how federal law actually works here.
As we always have said in other videos, an official safety recall never expires.
Don't let a dealer try to fool you either. If they try to convince you the recall is closed on a 5-year-old RV, simply walk away from the deal.
I agree.
Why? Because a 15-year recall rule. Under the federal law 49 U.S.C. 30120, the manufacturer only has to provide the fix free of charge if the vehicle is less than 15 years old. Buy a 16-year-old rig with an open recall, they still fix it, but they can legally charge you for the parts and labor.
Finally, section 4, your protective steps. Where is the sweet spot?
Based on depreciation data and factory warranty timelines, the optimal window is buying a 3 to 5-year-old RV. Why? Because the steepest depreciation is over and the initial factory defects are normally fixed.
But you have to protect yourself from the recalls. Step 1, hire an NRVIA certified inspector on any RV. A good inspector will run a thermal camera and moisture meter over the walls to catch the hidden water rot before you buy.
Step 2, get the 17-digit VIN. Never trust anyone's word that a recall has been fixed. Go to the NHTSA.gov/recalls website yourself. If an open safety recall pops up, print it out and hand the paperwork to the dealer and make them complete the factory fix before you sign any paperwork.
Like I said, never take the seller's word for it. Inspect it and verify it. Your RV should never be the reason your family is in danger. Take 10 minutes today to check this so your next trip is safe.
Right. If you currently own an RV, check the VIN today using the link below. Then comment cleared or affected so we know how widespread recalls on the NHTSA website really can be. Hit subscribe to join the RV Watchdog community. We rely on verified data, not glossy brochures.
And we'll see you in the next video. Bye now.